Hey everyone! Welcome back. Today, we're diving into some of the most shocking and controversial psychological experiments that reveal the dark side of the human mind. These experiments forced us to confront unsettling truths about our nature, obedience, and how easily we can be influenced. Buckle up, things are about to get intense. First, let's start with the infamous Stanford Prison Experiment. In 1971, psychologist Philip Zimbardo turned Stanford University's basement into a makeshift prison, selecting students to act as guards and prisoners. Within days, things spiraled out of control. The guards began to abuse their power, and prisoners suffered severe emotional distress. Zimbardo had to stop the experiment early, but not before it revealed a dark side. When given authority, people can easily slip into cruel behavior. It showed just how much our environment and assigned roles can change us. Next up, we have the Milgram experiment. Conducted by Stanley Milgram in the 1960s, this experiment was designed to test obedience to authority. Participants were instructed to deliver electric shocks to a person in another room every time they gave a wrong answer. With each mistake, the shocks increased in intensity. Even as they heard screams of pain, most participants continued to administer shocks, simply because a scientist told them to. This experiment shocked the world, proving that people are disturbingly willing to follow orders, even if it means hurting someone else. Now, let's talk about the Little Albert experiment. In 1920, psychologist John B. Watson conducted a study on a 9-month-old baby known as Little Albert. Watson exposed the baby to a series of objects, white rats, rabbits, and more. At first, Albert showed no fear. But then, Watson paired the sight of a rat with a loud, frightening noise. Over time, Albert became terrified of not just the rat, but also anything white and furry. This experiment showed how easily fear can be conditioned, but it left lasting ethical concerns, as Albert was never unconditioned. Lastly, the bystander effect experiment revealed our reluctance to help others in distress. Inspired by the tragic case of Kitty Genovese, who was murdered while dozens reportedly witnessed and did nothing, psychologists set up scenarios to see if people would help someone in need. The findings? The more people present, the less likely someone is to help. It's a chilling reminder of how social influence can affect even our most basic human instincts. So, what do these experiments reveal about us? They show that under certain conditions, any of us can act in ways we might never expect. We're more easily influenced than we'd like to believe, and sometimes, we make choices that reveal a darker side of human nature. Let us know what you think. Which of these experiments shocked you the most? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more explorations into the human mind. Until next time, remember, sometimes, the mind is the most mysterious place of all.